Hello, and I'm about to take you around this property, lovely property in Castillo de Lockerbin. Now, it's got plenty of outside space, so lots of dining and fresco areas, and it has parking outside. It's nice and light. However, the owners went back to their own country and left a builder responsible to refurb the property, ready so that they could sell it refurbished. And they came back to quite a surprise, very substandard, let's say, building work had been done. So if you are a builder yourself or really good at DIY, you might see this and think, do you know what? That's not that difficult. We've just got to take the tiles back up and relay them, sort out the staircase, etc. Now, I think the only thing we can do is go inside, have a look around, and let's see what you think you could do to rectify these problems.
The property is in Castillo de Lockerbin, which is approximately 1 hour's drive, maybe a bit less, to Granada. It is approximately 1 hour 45 minutes inland of Malaga Airport and located in the province of Jaén. You can see that the terrace has building materials on right now, but you can imagine it could be lovely with flowers and pots and a bistro table and chairs outside on this front terrace. We've got more outside space to see inside. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, there's been builders in, and this would all need to be rectified to tidy the place up and rebuild the staircase, or at least the surface of each step. I'm not a builder, but I can see that this needs a little bit of tender loving care, somebody with the drive, know-how and imagination just to rectify the problems. But it is a lovely house with lots of light coming through. You can see that there's a fridge, a brand new fridge in its box, and brand new washing machine. The owners will be leaving those items. Now we're going to have a look in the bathroom, which again needs renovating. The builder has tiled on top of the original shower tiles, and yeah, it needs the 2 layers of tiles ideally taken off and retiling. Has your jaw dropped yet? It's quite unbelievable, isn't it, that somebody could do this kind of job. There's a brand new shower in its box ready to be fitted in the bathroom as well. Brand new boiler, brand new washing machine. So despite the work that needs redoing, it is a lovely property with outside space. It's got this terrace out here. Now, this might make you laugh. I couldn't go out to film it because they've tiled the terrace and not adjusted the height of the door or anything, and the kitchen door can't be opened because the tiles are too high for the door. Now, if you end up being the person that takes on this property and converts it into the dream Spanish little bolt hole that it should be, I'd be very interested to take videos of it once you've finished and let everybody see the changes. The floor tiles will need replacing because they're just going to break, because there's just been blobs of cement put in between each one. We've got nice wooden beams. I can absolutely see why the owners have purchased this property. Look at the view. I mean, the benefits, you know, we've got a lovely view, a terrace at the front that I think, I'll need to check that, but I think it's council land, but you could still use it and put a table on it when you wanted to. Terrace at the back, and we've got a roof terrace to see as well. So as I said earlier, the owners were really disappointed on returning from their home country and seeing the building work that's been done. They are actually returning back to their home country. So hopefully somebody will be able to restore this property and make it the beautiful home that it should be. I am questioning the position of this ladder. You'll have seen some roof tiles in the bedroom, so they will obviously all be left so that the work can be finished. In many Spanish villages, it's difficult to park outside the property, but you can see there's parking just right here outside, but without disturbing the terrace area or the view from your window. It's so useful to have this kitchen upstairs on this third floor, or second floor if you count the first one as the ground floor, first floor, then we're on the second floor now. And so you've got the kitchen and the bathroom here. So you can enjoy afternoons on the roof terrace with your favourite drinks at hand, not having to rush downstairs every 5 minutes. Up to the roof terrace to enjoy these stunning views again. And just to mention, Castillo de Lockerbin has all your local amenities. It's a reasonable sized town with supermarkets and everything you would possibly need.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and also I hope that you liked the property. If you would like more information, please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582. That's 646 004 582. If you're serious about the property, please make sure you don't just put a comment below. As much as I, of course, love all of your comments, please comment, and I do read them and I will answer. But if you really want to take your inquiries further and want to view the property, it's better to contact me on the number that I've just given you. If you want to be notified, or one of the first notified on properties released like this, click and subscribe here. Watch this video for something else that you might be interested in. See ya!